This year's EMO, our core theme is digital intelligent integration for the next generation manufacturing. And this is actually very close aligned with our core long-standing vision. And Jingdiao's uniqueness lies into our integrated development of machine, control, and the CAD/CAM software. They build their own machine and all the software together. Because in this way, integration, we will be able to ensure higher precision, better efficiency, and a greater stability in the productions. This deep integrated approach is truly what makes different of the Jingdiao from the global competitors in the market.
I think we have the same questions like in China. We want to have quality. And that's also the question in Europe. So customers want to have high accuracy parts. In the Netherlands, we have a company is making all kind of parts. So we introduced Jingdiao for the first time, and he was of course a little bit skeptical. He didn't know Jingdiao. It's coming from China, quite new brand for the European market. But I introduced Jingdiao, and he was saying, okay, I want to do that. I trust it, we go for it. So now, after 3 years, he has already installed the second machine with automation system because his experience is very well. He sees the quality, he sees the long-term quality of the machine and the parts what he's getting out. But also he sees that with IMIM, the software integration, the serve mill what we use, that we can produce high quality parts. And on the end, that is what the market is asking. And we get a lot of support from Jingdiao. They send engineers to learn our engineers how to do the installation, how to do the service, but also how to use the technology to get the right parts out of the machine. And this whole training, this whole support from China is going really fast. We get every time an answer on a very fast base, and we always get a high quality answer. So we are very happy to work together with Jingdiao.
It is difficult to speak about Chinese companies in general, but it is obvious that quality in big parts has improved and improved rapidly over the past years. With Jingdiao, especially here at the booth, you can see examples of products made with their innovations that really show that they are capable of giving products of the highest quality and that can really give you exceptional results.